Hey! Chineke nna. Asụma gịnị? Ụmụ ebe n'Igbo na Odimeje. Flavor na Odimeje. Hey! Asụna ụmụ Jesus Christ. Atakwa m afọ. Ụmụ Jesus Christ kwa. Hey! Ọsọ n'Igbo na ụmụ ebe n'Igbo. Ahụkwala ọnụ m. Nke akwa. Hey! Nke akarịkwa m o. Na wow. Alice! Come out. Alice, go inside and get me my food. I'm hungry.
Now you're hungry. Which food?
Jesus! You can't sense question like that. Go inside and get me my food now. Also move.
And there's no food in the house now. Did you give me money for any food?
Jesus is Lord.
The food give you. Which food am I going to give you?
I gave you money yesterday now to cook for me. That was Sunday.
Last week, it was last week you gave me 1,000 naira only. That was what you gave me. And I used it and cook and it has finished. There's no other food again in the house. You're telling me food like that.
I know the woman.
Which woman am I? Woman
Go inside and get my food, John.
Money, Abi.
Go inside and get my food.
In this house, so when you're ready to eat, you tell me, bring money, I will come cook for you.
Get my food though. Before I change my mind on you now. Go inside and get my food. Put no sense with that. No sense. Telling me food no day, food no day. No sense, woman. Alice, where's my food? So you are walking out of me. I say you should get me my food now. You are walking out of me.
Which one is where I'm going? Why won't I work out? There's no food in this house. There's no money. The money you gave me has finished. Let me go and do something. So telling me give you money for which money again? Which food am I going to give?
Jesus!
Where is the money? You go back. Buy the food.
Will you come back here?
Don't disturb me.
Come back. Alice, come back here. I'm talking to you and you are walking out of me. Stupid woman. Come back here. Alice. I said come back here. Alice, come back here. I'm talking to you. You are walking out of me. I will kill you.
What do you want me to come back?
Let's go inside. Alice, let's go inside. I'm not talking to you. Let's go inside first.
You're on the wrong side though.
What do you mean? I'm your husband. I have right to go inside.
You're my husband. You're supposed to take care of. Telling me which food am I going to give? I will kill you. Like people are seeing him here. I will kill you.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Nani. What is it? Hey, my husband. What happened? Hey, come on. Hey, come on, neighbors. I've been my husband. Neighbors, come on. Hey,